Hi everybody, welcome back to Freshco Graphics. In this channel we gonna talk about contemporary home designs and ideas. Today, we'll talk about small swimming pools. Hopefully, the pictures presented will provide inspiration for all of you. Let's just get started.
Do you have a swimming pool installed at your house? If you don't have an above-ground pool in your backyard, then you haven't a clue what you're missing. Just talk to anyone who has a swimming pool in their backyard and you will surely find out what fun the swimming pool has brought to their lives. Now, after hearing about all the fun and relaxing activities that they are enjoying, you surely won't want to delay any longer installing that swimming pool at your house. The first thing, which you have to do, now is to find a reputed swimming pool dealer in your city to install the swimming pool at your house.
The swimming pool that you have installed at your house will become the connecting factor that keeps your entire family close together. Who doesn't love to lounge around in a swimming pool and beat the summer here as opposed to the alternative, going to the public pool shared with a bunch of strangers? Well, if you have the swimming pool at your house, your children will not be able to find a reason to stay away from home. Children, be it small kids or teenagers, love to play with water and hang around the swimming pool. They can invite their friends over to the house and hang around with them in the swimming pool. They will simply love you for this. Now, if you have small kids at home, you must be cautious when they are near the pool. Never leave them unattended, even if it is for just a few seconds. There are many store pools has swimming pools that are equipped with safety features for kids, and you just have to talk to the professionals about this and they will install them on the swimming pool for you. Once you have finished playing in the swimming pool with your kids, do not forget to put away the toys. Make sure that no toys are left in the water, or your kids may be tempted to go in the pool and get the toys. You can teach your kids to do workouts in the swimming pool. This can help them stay healthy, and they can also end up learning how to swim from a very early age. Do a lot of research to make sure that the swimming pool dealer you have chosen is not a fraud. If you are dealing with a reputed dealer, fraud is something you will never have to worry about. The dealers working there supply pools of the best quality to their clients, and this is very evident from the long list of satisfied customers this dealer has. Just make sure that you talk to the professionals that come to install your pool about the best way to maintain it. Are you thinking of having a swimming pool, but are worried about ruining the landscaping around it? Don't worry. If you're too much preoccupied with the big changes and the spending that can happen, you can always resort to having small swimming pools. At least, with a smaller one, the expenses would not be so grand. One of the advantages of having a smaller pool is that you don't have to spend too much on water, maintenance and chemicals. It's common sense that with a bigger one, you'll have to invest more money for accessories and the like. Unless you're an athlete, this size is enough for you and your family. Here are some tips, which you can use to limit your spending. When you have this built, make sure you take the contractor to see the area. Here, the shape and specific size of the pool will be determined. At the same time, having a professional see the area will give them an easier way to work around your garden. Once it is built, swimming can help strengthen one's resistance, respiratory system and build up their muscles too. It can also be an activity to help you and family bond with one another. If you're thinking of getting a heater for those cold nights, you can go with the next best thing. Instead of spending thousands of dollars to have a heater installed and for electricity to power it up, you can just buy a solar cover. This will absorb the sun's heat and increase the water's temperature day by day. Having this will also protect your swimming hole from debris, which may fall from all sorts of places. It can also prevent accidents. You see, by following these tips, you'll be able to maintain your swimming area with extra cash to spare for your landscaping. Thanks to these small swimming pools, you can have the best of both worlds. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope this video helps you to make a small swimming pools for your home. Thank you.